If you have a spindle on a forehead pressure fryer that's stuck in this fully unscrewed position all the way up, I'm going to show 2 ways to try to get this unstuck and then show you how to prevent it from happening in the first place. So if we go to step number 1 to get this unstuck, what I would recommend is striking the spindle with your palm of your hand, but you want to strike it in a clockwise direction. The tendency is to always hit it counterclockwise when something's stuck, but you'll just end up sticking it even more. So you strike it clockwise, and you can unstick it that way. If that doesn't get it unstuck, step number 2 would be to use a rubber mallet, using a saw face of a rubber mallet and striking the spindle clockwise again to get it unstuck. If neither of those methods work, then step number 3 would be contacting Henny Penny to set up a service call. Now, to prevent this from getting stuck in the first place, the reason it gets stuck is if someone aggressively unscrews the spindle and let it spin to the stop. You can see how it gets stuck there. Now I gotta kind of loosen it up. What the recommendation is for crew members or team members is when they open the lid, just unscrew it by hand slowly, and now it's not stuck in that upward position. So those are the 2 methods to try to unstick the spindle and then how to prevent it from getting stuck in the first place.